This year, LG brings you the brand new QNED 81 TV. The new and inspiring QNED 81 TV combines quantum dot and nanocell technology to achieve amazing color performance in a real 4K quantum dot nanocell display. So if you were waiting to get a TV that offers true color and amazing picture quality that takes you right into the cinematic world, then LG's QNED 81 TV is your latest pick. The LG QNED 81 is powered by the 5th generation Alpha 7 AI Processor 4K, delivering an ultra-high contrast, greater level of detail, and an accurate color reproduction in the image for an exciting TV viewing experience. Coupled with the new and improved AI Picture Pro, AI 4K upscaling, AI Sound Pro, and AI acoustic tuning, LG QNED's local dimming technology uses deep learning algorithms to map and send object information to backlight dimming blocks to create sharper and more natural images, delivering precise backlight control and an ultra-high contrast ratio. This makes the blacks deeper and colors more vivid, even in the darkest scenes. So you can enjoy the near-perfect black, brilliant color and enhanced brightness displayed on a stunning ultra-big screen. LG QNED 81 TV is launching with an all-new dynamic tone mapping feature, which uses a technique to not just elevate the frames, but also to hone in on blocks across the screen for a more dynamic and vivid HDR picture quality. LG's own dynamic range technology, HDR10 Pro and HLG Pro intensifies regular HDR content, bringing lifelike clarity to every image reproduced. It intelligently adjusts picture settings based on content genre and ambient surroundings. Filmmaker mode is an immersive experience and brings you an accurate picture by preserving the original ratios, colors, and frame rates and showing you what the filmmaker initially intended you to see. So get ready to binge watch your favorite content on the available streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+ Hotstar, YouTube, and many more channels airing the latest content. At the core of the TV is the experience of ThinQ AI, an innovative and intelligent design to control your TV and appliances in your home. It runs on voice commands and opens up new possibilities for comfort and luxury. Another feature of the TV is a new web OS with user profiles and family settings, which has an eye-pleasing UI and UX that makes it simple for you to explore all the features of the TV. You can even mirror the content from your phone directly through Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit. The TV has inbuilt Alexa and Google Assistant that allows you an easy control of all your home IoT ecosystem and your brand new TV. Picking up these voice commands is the latest version of LG's Magic Remote. The flicker-free remote cursor can drag through the content quickly and allows to input text with greater ease. The QNED 81 TV packs in features and support to power up your gaming experience. The new Game Optimizer is the new central for gamers to save their game settings, which automatically adjusts picture to optimize graphics. The TV supports AMD FreeSync Premium to deliver variable refresh rate, which enable a clear and smooth gameplay. VRR, Auto Low Latency Mode, HDIG Profile, and EARC meet the latest HDMI 2.1 specifications to give you an edge over your opponents and allow fast-moving content with synchronized graphics to get you more wins. The TV brings fast-paced action in sports with smooth motion that makes every play look and feel exceptionally clear and real. Now you can feel the intensity of a packed stadium right into your home with our Bluetooth surround sound technology. The TV notifies you to stay updated with real-time sports alerts of all your favorite teams playing even when you're watching something else. On the outside, the QNED 81 achieves an ultra-modern design with minimal bezels and a slim body, making the TV a perfect fit for your home. Available in 190, 164 and 139 cm size, The TV marks the evolution of your viewing experience with real 4K quantum dots and dawns a new era for an immersive and entertaining experience with a beautiful design to blend in with your interiors. This is the new LG QNED 81 TV.